Hi, today teardown of this little aircraft cockpit indicator from the French manufacturer Intertechnic. It is just labeled indicator, part number here, serial number 091, date of January 1982. So it is apparently a digital fuel quantity indicator with little incandescent self-excitement displays. Interesting. Here is the back with a connector and this quite a weird setup here to close the case. It is interesting. We will see exactly what it is later, but what I can notice on this connector, look, two of the pins have a black dot over them. So I will do something totally professional. I will take around 5 volts and I will apply them at a random polarity of those two on those two pins and see what happens. No magic smoke, it is good, and look at this. It is actually working on displaying a random number. Very nice. Let's check if I reconnect it will be another number or not. No, it is the same one. Interesting. So as you can guess, there is a trap. There is something particular with this indicator. Nothing you can figure out from the outside except this weird setup here, maybe to close it. So what is your guess? While I undo these screws. Yes. Oh, very interesting, because when you undo the screw you will loosen a little round piece like this with a screw hole. Not something very usual, quite surprising. Not something you expect, at least. So I really wonder what is going on with this thing. Really strange, guys. So last screw is out. I should be able to pull. Yes. So are you ready? Maybe we have beautiful electronics in this. Ta-da! Ta-da! Okay. We have here a perfectly unpopulated circuit board. Other side also, and in the middle a circuit board with just, it seems, one glass coated resistor. And as you can expect, just the two wires going to the back connector. Bulbs here are not wired. They are installed but not connected. Interesting. And we just have on the front the little displays with their socket, bracket socket like this. So obviously it is not an airworthy aircraft instrument. It must be a salesman display instrument, a mock-up to display the size, the weight and the functionality of the thing. So quite an unusual find, even if it was not advertised as a salesman mock-up in the eBay ad. But at least I can get it working easily. The case seems to be a regular one, and I wonder about this serial number, because usually if it is a mock-up it will be a written mock-up or serial number 000 or something like this. But not here, it is actually a quite high serial number. So not sure what is going on here. Nice golden track on these PCBs. I wonder why you would use two real circuit boards for a non-working display piece instead of just blank plates, because the tracks here serve no purpose at all except maybe on the middle one. So quite surprising little thing. I will power it another time for you. So you can see what it looks like. It is around 5 volt power supply currently. I believe it could be a little bit more, but I do not want to stress the displays, so I will remain at a low voltage like this. Interesting. So there are these things, 7 segments with actually little incandescent filaments, light bulbs. Very interesting. The code of 1982. So nice little displays, but as you can guess, they are replaceable items because they are incandescent, so they can wear out and break eventually. Okay, this might be a nice thumbnail for the video. Well, so it was quite a surprise, this thing. I was not expecting this when I did open it the first time. A little bit of a disappointment, but at the same time it is maybe even more difficult to get than a real instrument display piece like this. Or at least I have real pieces I can reuse as the back connector, the displays. But I might keep it like so, or maybe put it on a display somewhere with a power supply connected to it. So I will try now to reassemble it, and actually it is a little bit tricky because you have to align perfectly like so. Okay, now I have just to reinstall these screws with these little annoying parts, and it will be good to go in storage. So thanks for watching, bye bye.